We have the welding pen with the digital display that we're going to use to weld this material together. This is powered with a miner blower off to the side. For our tip, we're using the combination Dross tacking tip, 4mm round. It has the tacking tip to go back after you've tacked it, and we'll put it in a tacking position now. And we're set at 680 degrees for this material. Okay?
And you adjust it with a red dial on the
And
back.
it's adjustable right here.
There you go.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, now we're going to tack our pieces together prior to draw welding. The anvil is in the up position. It's going to get heated from the hot air. And we just lay that and slowly draw it along the joint, just to tack them into place. Okay, now we're going to take the tacking nozzle, flip it back out of the way, and we're going to draw weld with 4mm round rod. Again, we're still at 680 degrees. So we preheat our corner where we're going to start, introduce the rod, and with slight pressure pushing down on the rod, draw the nozzle.
I'm going to show how the handle's being held.
Pushing slightly on the rod, most of the pressure's on the tip, pushing it into the joint.